Under Section 60 of Factories Act 1948, you should not allow it for dual employment legally. Okay. Some followers raising concern saying that if I approach legally, can my previous employer update the end date in the PF account as well as in the relief letter? Okay, if I approach legally, yeah. Legal record also not helping us. Okay. As per the law, you should not work parallelly two organizations simultaneously as per Section 60 of Factory Act 1948. Okay. And if you want, you can search in Google also. Okay. Yeah, now question is, I did the dual employment. Companies are not ready to take me continuously. They are rejecting my background verification. What I will do? If you follow our channel regularly, you know about impact of background verification in dual employment, in terms of dual employment. Forget about fake certificate, forget about editing documents, but dual employment is the major concern. Okay. When they search fake certificate, it will take some time. Okay. When they search to find edited payslip, it will take some time. But to identify your dual employment, no need much time, just 2 seconds enough to track your entire previous organization information as per PF account. Okay. And don't hide, don't try to edit something. That will not work. But after joining in the organization, definitely they will send you out. That is what happening for our followers. But if you want, you can approach to me. There is a wonderful suggestions available in order to approach organization with your dual employment effectively. Okay. There are some strategy you need to approach before searching for job. If you want, you can approach to me, but you need to pay the consulting fee. Consulting fee is huge. Okay. If you are ready for the approach, you can approach to me. And yeah, once done your consulting fee, we will discuss. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. You can contact to me. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.